Yo, what's up? It's Chan Man Frey from the Freeway. It's all about health, hustle, motivation, muscle. As always, up on the early morning grind. This morning I'm coming to you from the city of brotherly love. And it made me think that within this one, what we'll do is I'll talk to you about how to deal with jackasses. So first, before I explain how to deal with them, let me explain how to identify, if you're not sure, how to identify a jackass. A jackass is a person that is extremely negative and or has ill will toward anyone else. That's it. We can go on forever about what it could be, what they could display or distribute, but if they are negative and display ill will toward anyone else, that is the underpinnings of a jackass. Alright, so how do you deal with jackasses? So when you come across them, the best thing to do is be quiet. You kill jackasses with silence. You don't give them any room to breathe within the You don't give them any room to breathe within the confines of their jackass activities. That's the long and short of it. They'll come to you with all kinds of nonsense. Some of them may be extremely passive aggressive. They'll throw things your way. Now silence, that's silence in responding to their ways, their actions, or their words. If you choose to communicate with them, that's cool. That's on you. But your conversation has to be extremely short and straight to the point. If not, they're gonna pull you into their madness. So, that's the tip of the day on how to deal with the jackass, also known as a JA. You know what's next. Stay focused. Stay focused, stay driven, and follow the Freeway. Later.